Hello all, welcome to another art tutorial with UdoCreatives. In this tutorial, we will be going over masking in acrylics. Masking is a method of blocking out sections of your painting. It prevents color bleeding and is also useful in making different patterns and designs. I typically use masking tape for masking. Using masking tape creates clean, straight edges or boundaries between different sections of a painting. For this tutorial, we'll go over 3 different masking examples. Notice how I started by using masking tape to set boundaries. Example 1. This method involves tearing or cutting the masking tape into irregular sizes, and then arranging them in a zigzag formation on the surface of the artwork. It creates dynamic and visually interesting boundaries between different sections of the painting. I'll be using a cardboard piece as my palette. The colors are medium yellow, light green, pink, magenta, cobalt blue, purple, and turquoise blue. Let's begin painting. While painting, we should try to make sure that we are within the boundary we set. The masking tape helps protect the paper underneath it. Here, I'm just cleaning my brush before applying another paint. A paper towel, tissue paper, or cloth piece can be used for cleaning your brush. I'll keep adding different colors on my sections. After the paint dries, the masking tape should be carefully removed to reveal the desired pattern. If you see any color bleeding, you can fix it with the relevant color or titanium white. Example 2. Masking can also be used for defining horizons or separating 2 different color tones. I'll start this example by quickly painting a sky with light shade of blue. After that layer is completely dry, I will place masking tape at the point where I want the color separation to occur. For the next step, let's apply a darker shade of blue and magenta to make water. Now, after the second part is completely dry, we can carefully remove the tape. I'll add strokes of yellow and a sun to complete a horizon scene. Example 3. We can also use masking for painting trees or other objects. I'll start this example by quickly painting a base layer with my soft brush. After that layer is completely dry, we can place tape strips around to give the shapes of trees. I will now fill those areas with titanium white. Once dry, carefully peel off the masking tape to reveal the tree shapes. Next, I will add details to complete my tree. That's how objects can be painted using the masking technique. This is the end of our masking acrylics tutorial. Always remember to practice using different colors and styles to find out which one you enjoy the most. I also hope that you've gained insightful techniques in this tutorial, and I hope to see you use these techniques in your paintings. Thank you very much for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to UdoCreatives for more art content.